Modding a SKA Studios game and curious about the SKA animation files? These contain character animations for indie titles like Salt and Sanctuary. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these SKA Studios animation files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken SKA. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A proprietary animation file used in games developed by SKA Studios, such as Salt and Sanctuary and the Dishwasher, Dead Samurai. Users, typically modders or game enthusiasts, encounter this file when attempting to extract or modify character animations, sprites, and other graphical assets from the game's data. The SKA Format is a custom binary container designed for efficient loading of 2D skeletal animation data by the game engine. It likely stores bone hierarchies, keyframes, texture references, and transformation matrices in a compact structure, prioritizing fast read times and low memory overhead during gameplay. For full editing functionality, SKA requires Salt and Sanctuary, which is supplied by SKA Studios. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows cannot preview interactive or graphical elements, so game-specific viewers are required. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the SKA file and hit Open With. Test Salt and Sanctuary, if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. When a SKA file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, loading in the original game. SKA files are loaded automatically by the corresponding SKA Studios game during runtime. Modifying these files requires placing edited versions in the game's data directory, typically within Steam apps/common folder structure. Test changes by launching the game to see modified animations in action. Next, examining with Hex Editors. Open SKA files in HXD or another Hex editor to inspect their binary content. Identifying animation parameters. Keyframes and bone structures requires comparing multiple files and observing patterns. This reverse engineering approach helps modders understand the format for creating custom animations. Finally, engaging with modding communities. Search modding forums and Discord servers dedicated to SKA Studios games, like Salt and Sanctuary. Community members may have developed tools for SKA file editing or shared documentation about the format. Collaboration accelerates understanding of proprietary formats with limited official information. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.